Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel where today we're going to be recapping the price action from Friday, April 17th, where I managed to take one trade that resulted in a break-even. So let's just jump straight into it. So from the daily chart, we've just been pushing up to all-time highs and through them. From the 7-hour chart, we can see that we've taken the Asian 7-hour low and we've just been pushing up. And one trade I was eyeing before market open was in here at 6:30, where you can see that we have a shallow move back down. And looking at the 3-minute chart, we can see that we've had this inversion coupled with this fair value gap, so that became a balanced price range. Then we had this order block created here, and I was looking to take something like this with my stop on the low and targeting just to R, and that would have been a really nice setup just to here, and in about 30 minutes that would have been hit. And the next trade possible would have been this, which just stopped below this, which was the current 7 o'clock hourly low, and another 2R would have been really easy to get. But after I've seen that price starting going up, I closed the charts and I just thought to myself, yeah, let's just wait for 9:30. And as you can see, we've had news again close to 9 o'clock, and that prompted the price to drive even higher to the all-time highs. And then we can see that we started having a shallow pullback into this fair value gap. And if we look at the 5-minute chart, we can see that this fair value gap is much larger, and it held price really nicely here. And then we had this 945 here that got SMT'd, where you can see that ES was taking this low while NQ wasn't. And I was waiting to see if we would get these two fair value gaps disrespected, and then this inversion coupled with this bearish fair value gap from here would get both invalidated, and we would have this BPR confirmed. And once we closed above it here, I put a limit right at the edge of this BPR, and with my stop on this PSP low, and I was targeting at least 2R, and as you can see, price came really close to it, and I got stopped break even because once we took the current day's high, I just put myself break even, and as you can see, I got stopped out here, and we basically chopped for the rest of the day. That is pretty much going to be it. This wasn't really an eventful day. Yes, we could have entered early in the New York session to get a really nice trade and insane risk to reward. But if you were to take a post 9:30 setup, in my opinion, this or this would have been it. And if you would have taken this like this with your stop on the S&T low and targeting to high to R to this high, yes, that would have probably been a pretty okay trade. But I wanted to wait for the confirmation entry because we were so high up in the range, and I've seen that NQ started consolidating here, and I wasn't just so sure on this first setup, and I ended up taking the second one, which did not really reach 2R. And that is pretty much going to be it. This week was flat overall. Not a great week for me. This could have gone a lot better, but as you can see from Sunday till now, we've just gone up like 2,000 points. and without really any retracements back into the range. I don't really like these types of price action days where we just grind up higher. So yeah, thank you for watching. If you like this type of content, please leave a like, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.